Today will be an exploration of customer journey mapping. At Sugar, we talk about letting the platform do the work, and customer journey is a great example of that. It enables process automation within the system. One of the big ideals behind CRM and behind letting the platform do the work is building consistent, repeatable, and measurable behavior within the system. Customer journey, as you will see, enables users to do exactly that. It presents users a visual process. They can see what the next steps are and all the steps are, including the milestones that they're managing across. Customer journey enables guided selling. It also enables a guided journey for customers. That way they're always treated the same regardless of which rep, which salesperson, which service agent is managing the relationship. Customer journeys also enable users to understand what the next action is and who's responsible for that. Today we're going to have a quick look at customer journey and how it enables the platform to do the work for the user. That way users can read, react, and respond and do the next action that they need to do to complete their job.
In our first example of how to apply CJP, or customer journey processes, we'll be exploring how CJP can be applied to an opportunity with one of our existing customers. As you can see down below, not much has really happened yet. So what we'll do is go here to the customer journey area, and we're going to click down and choose one of our sales processes. We're going to choose the opportunity quick deal. You can see it's got 3 sales stages, and within those stages we have various tasks that need to be completed. I've already had the customer requirements meeting with the customer, so I'm going to go ahead and check that as complete. And quickly it moves me right on to the next step and action, and when it thinks we ought to have that completed by. I have already booked the meeting for presentation as well. So we're going to go ahead and click that step and then move on to the next piece. Identifying power. Who are we talking to? As you see, the visual presentation layer within the opportunity coaches us through what steps need to be taken, in what order, and by whom. We can have different steps in the process organized and assigned to various different users within CRM. We know that we can always complete the process on time and on target, and getting the right people involved at the right time. This really helps us use the system efficiently and lets the platform do the work. In the second example here, working again with XYZ Funding Company, we can take a look at what data we know about them. Who do we know there? See some statistical information about metrics. So how does process apply to an account? When we look at a customer journey as it relates to an account, often we want to have an annual touch plan with an existing customer. By applying the annual account planning process to this customer, you can see that customer journey immediately organizes our quarterly touch plan to work with our existing customers to make sure that we're checking in and always staying on top of whatever the most urgent topics are. Another example of letting the system do the work, by looking at the journeys and seeing all the different quarterly check-ins, we can collapse this down, and by looking down at meetings, you can see the process has automatically scheduled our quarterly meetings onto the calendar for me to enable the process to stay in flow and keep me on track to have all of my meetings with the customer. What a great asset to have customer journey walk us right through what account management means to the organization. In our third example today, we're going to have a look at how XYZ Funding sometimes calls to express an issue. In this instance, we're looking at an invoice problem that they're having, and they've created a new case recently, case 1044. Again, customer journey is present here, and what can we do with it? What we can do is automate a process. In this case, this is a priority 1 critical problem case. By adding the journey, we can now see that there's a 3-stage process to help us pursue this through to the end. We first acknowledge that there's an issue, identify the problem, and how to resolve it. This process enables customer service to always treat our priority 1 problems in the same manner, regardless of whether you're a new hire or a seasoned veteran within the service team. Customer journey process keeps things moving along, assigns things to the right people, and ensures that we provide the top level service to all of our customers in the same manner. Customer journey, as you've seen, applied across multiple modules within CRM today, enables us always to stay on time, on task, and keep our customers happy.